You have learned about various types of numbers in your earlier classes. Let us review them and learn more about numbers. So the first one is natural numbers. Natural numbers is denoted by capital letter N. Counting numbers are known as natural numbers. You know, natural number starts from 1. 1 is the smallest natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. is called as natural numbers. These are counting numbers and they are called as natural numbers. It is denoted by capital letter N. And the smallest natural number is 1. Now, second one is whole numbers. It is usually denoted by capital letter W. All natural numbers together with 0 form the collection of whole numbers. So, along with this natural number, when you add 0, you will get whole numbers. So, 0 is the smallest whole number and the largest whole number we cannot find, it is infinity. So, 0 is the smallest whole number. Now, third one is integers. Integers is usually denoted by capital letter Z. All natural numbers, 0 and negatives of natural number form the collection of all integers. So, natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Again 0. Along with this, negatives of natural number, that means -1, -2, -3, negatives of natural number together form integers. So, negative numbers, positive numbers and 0 together form integers. Now, next one is even numbers. You know, it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. are called as even numbers. Odd numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. are called as odd numbers. Now, next is prime numbers. Numbers having only two factors, that is 1 and that number itself is called as prime numbers. So, for example, 2, 3, 5, 7, all these are prime numbers. 2 has got only two factors, 1 and 2, or we can say 1, 2's are 2. It has got only two factors, the number 1 and number 2. Same way, 3 has got only two factors, 1 and 3. 5 has got only two factors, 1 and 5. Next is composite numbers. Numbers having more than two factors is called as composite number. First composite number is 4. Second one is 6. Then 8, 9. All these are composite numbers. 4 has got more than two factors. For example, 1, 2 and 4. 2 2's are 4, 1 4's are 4. Same way 6 has got 1, 2, 3, 6. 1 6's are 6, 2 3's are 6. So, it has got total 4 factors. So, numbers having more than two factors is called as composite numbers. And 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. The number 1 is neither prime nor composite. Next number is rational number. You have already studied about rational number in class 8. The number is called as rational number if it can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q should not be equal to 0. For example, 2 by 5 or 3 by 4 or 1 by 2. All these are examples of rational numbers. It can be written in the form of P by Q and the denominator should not be 0. Such numbers are called as rational numbers. So, is 2 a rational number? Definitely 2 is rational number because I can write 2 as 2 by 1. Is 0 a rational number? 0 is also a rational number because I can write 0 as 0 by 1. And is minus 25 a rational number? Minus 25 also I can write as minus 25 divided by 1. So, 2, 0, minus 25 all are rational numbers. So, the numbers which can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q should not be equal to 0 is called as rational numbers. So therefore, rational numbers include natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. You can see natural numbers here, whole numbers as well as integers. Now, what do you mean by equivalent rational numbers? You might have heard about equivalent fractions. Okay, so what do you mean by equivalent rational numbers? Can you say what are the equivalent rational numbers for this half? 1 by 2. Same way, how you will find equivalent fraction, multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number, you will get equivalent fraction. So this is also equivalent rational number. In the same way, you will find out equivalent rational number. I can say 2 by 4, again 3 by 6. So all these are equivalent. 4 by 8. All these are equivalent rational numbers, or 15 by 30, because when you reduce this, you will finally get half only. So they are called as equivalent rational numbers. Multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number, you will get equivalent rational number. And the simplest form of rational number means rational number p by q is said to be in the simplest form if p and q are integers having no common factor other than 1 and q should not be equal to 0. For example, what is the simplest form of this rational number 4 by 8? Here it has got 2 as a common factor. So it should not have 2 as a common factor. When you reduce this, you have 2 by 4. Again, you can reduce this and this is equal to half. So I can say that half is the simplest form of this rational number 4 by 8. So that means this p and q, the numerator and denominator, do not have any common factor and the denominator is not equal to 0. It has got only one common factor and that common factor is 1. So simplest form of rational number means you have to cancel it, find the simplest form. They will not have any common factor. For example, 3 by 4 is the simplest rational number because it do not have any common factor other than 1 and q is also not equal to 0. So I want to check whether you have understood the concepts. Are the following statements true or false? You can answer this. Every whole number is a natural number. Is it true or false? Every whole number is a natural number. It is false. Why? Because 0 is a whole number and 0 is not a natural number. Natural number starts from 1. Now second one, every integer is a rational number. Of course, every integer is a rational number. I have told minus 25, or you take any number minus 2, it can be written in the form of rational number p by q. So this statement is true. Third one, every rational number is an integer. Is every rational number an integer? See, 2 by 3, is this an integer? No. Integer will be either the numbers with minus sign, 0 and positive number. So this is not an every rational number is an integer, is a false statement. Next, every natural number is a whole number. You can say every natural number is a whole number because whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is true. Again, every integer is a whole number. Can you say that every integer is a whole number? It is false because minus 6 is an integer. It is not a whole number. And the last one, every rational number is a whole number. That is also false because 2 by 3 is a rational number. It is not a whole number. In whole numbers, fractions will not be there. So thank you for watching my video.